Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I wore to school this past week. And also keep in mind that my school doesn't really have a dress code, so definitely some of these outfits aren't dress code friendly, but some of them definitely are. You really just have to watch to see if the outfits fit your dress code or not. I know every dress code is different. Literally every school I've been to, the dress code has been completely different, so you just kind of gotta watch and see. For Monday's outfit, my off-the-shoulder top is from American Eagle. My jeans are also from American Eagle, and fun fact, this is my favorite pair of jeans. I don't know why, but I love them. And my shoes are Birkenstocks, and I actually have a Birkenstock tan night right now. It's kind of bad. I don't want to talk about it. For Tuesday's outfit, my top and my shorts actually are both from American Eagle. And my shoes are just white Converse. For Wednesday's outfit, my dress is once again from American Eagle. I'm just now realizing how much things I actually have from American Eagle. It's kind of bad. My jean jacket is from Target. I'm wearing two Axonani bracelets. One has a 4-leaf clover on it, and the other has some weird star looking thing on it. And my shoes again are Converse. For Thursday's outfit, I'm wearing this Simply Southern t-shirt. My shorts are just black and white Nike running shorts. My necklace is from James Avery. And once again, I'm wearing my Birkenstocks. On Friday, I wore the same jean jacket from Target. My top is from Hollister, and I seriously love this top. I want to buy it in every single color because it's so comfortable and so cute, and I love it. My shorts for this outfit are from American Eagle. And my shoes are white Vans.